Okay, good morning students. From today onwards, we are starting our second semester portion of social science, in which the very first chapter that we are going to study is chapter number 1, socio-religious reforms. So basically in this chapter, we are going to study about the different types of reforms or changes that came to our Indian society during the British rule, as many of the social reformers, they protested and against the bad practices of our society, like some evil customs were there in the Indian society, like the sati pratha, the child marriage, superstitious activities. All these social evils of our society were addressed by the great social reformers of our nation, and among them one was Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So basically we are first going to read and know about the social reformer of our nation, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So let us start and have some information about Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He was born in the year 1772 in the Hooghly district of West Bengal. So the very first thing that we have to remember about Raja Ram Mohan Roy is that he was born in the year 1772 and in West Bengal in a Brahmin family. Now, as we know, he was a scholar, a philosopher, and a great social reformer. So in order to convey or bring about the messages to our society, he started newspapers in order to reach to maximum number of people his ideas and knowledge about our culture, and also to educate the people about the bad practices of our society. So for that, he started newspapers like Sambad Kaumudi in Bengali in the year 1821. So these two newspapers, the first was in Bengali language in the year 1821, and that was named Sambad Kaumudi. Sambad means having conversation. So he wanted to discuss and converse to our people about how we can transform our Indian society, especially the Hindu society. The second one was Mirat-ul-Akbar in Persian in the year 1822. So as we know, he was a linguist. Linguist means a person who knows more than one language. So he also had a deep knowledge of Persian literature. So he wrote or he published a second newspaper named Mirat-ul-Akbar in the year 1822, and in these two newspapers he highlighted how we can remove the bad practices of our society and also criticize the various policies of the British government and made the people aware of the developments around the world. So we can say that he is also known as the father of Indian Renaissance. So he started all the reforms of our nation, and as a great social reformer, he formed an organization named Brahmo Samaj in the year 1828. So a Hindu college in Calcutta, or we can say Kolkata, in order to educate the people about the development and to improve their communication skills and to develop them their scientific knowledge, he established this Brahmo Samaj. Now as we know, he had a deep or a good relations with the British official, especially at that time the Governor General of Bengal was Lord William Bentinck. So Bentinck was very much impressed by the efforts that Raja Ram Mohan Roy made in order to, we can say, the protest was greatly and significantly appreciated by the then Governor General of Bengal, and as a result of that in the year 1829, Lord William Bentinck banned Sati Pratha in India. So, in the year 1829, it was completely eliminated from our Indian society that Sati Pratha was an illegal practice. Also, he made many recommendations or suggestions to the British government like the freedom of press, women's right, freedom of speech, personal liberty, judiciary independent from the executive. Not only the ban on Sati Pratha was a great achievement of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, but also he recommended that there should be freedom of speech. People should have their opinion in front of the British government. Newspapers should be free to publish their opinions. And lastly, we have to remember that he died in the year 1833 in Bristol, England. As he was in England regarding a case, he died there in the city of Bristol, England. So, these were some of the information that we have to remember of the fact about one of great social reformers of India, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So, in the next video, we will study about another great social reformer of our nation. Okay.